Ready.
The little cares, the splendid me, I lost them yesterday. Among the fields, above the sea, among the winds that play, among the lowing of the birds and the rustling of the trees, among the singing of the birds, the humming of the bees, the foolish fear of what might happen, I cast them all away. Among the clover-scented grass, among the new mown hay, among the hushing of the corn, where dusty prophets nod, where ill luck dies and good are born. Out in the fields with God, out in the fields with God, by Elizabeth Barrett Browning.